You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, this is going to be different pronunciations depending on the country. So we have to look at the British English pronunciation used in the UK. It's pronounced Eaton. It's also used in Ireland. Eaton. Now, in American English, it's usually pronounced as Eaton. 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 Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.